Hi subscribers and viewers, welcome back to this wonderful channel. Who said other brands of SFPs cannot be compatible with Mikrotik router or Mikrotik devices? Well, I did some tests on this series of brands and all proved that it is successful. It is possible that you can actually integrate a different brand of SFPs, as in this ones, example qlogic, HP, Huawei, and this is RJ45 to SFP module. Okay, and I did a video which is an example of, or a proof that these brands of SFPs can be compatible with Mikrotik router and possibly some other SFP enabled devices. So kindly stay tuned and watch this video. Thank you. This is 10 gig HP SFP to RJ45 converter or module, and this is it. Okay, I'm going to insert it into the Mikrotik and then you can see it yourself. And so as you can see, this is RB2011 UIAS RM. So I'm inserting it here to each slot, and then so I've inserted it. Okay, so this is a network cable I'm going to insert into the fiber module. Okay, so just observe, it will become active right now. Currently, as you can see, we have only this blue light which is active, and so I'm plugging it and then the interface will turn on right now. As you can see, the two lights have turned on which are active. Now if we come here, we can see on the interface okay, so let me turn off my Wi-Fi and then you can see. So right now we have the fiber port working now, you see, and the SFP port is active, as you can see. If you like, let me browse or even check on my ping. This is the ping, which signifies that it's working. You see, this is even a different brand. The brand for this one is qlogic or whatever, and this is about 8 gig. This is 8 gig, but this is a normal SFP fiber port module. Okay, so I will insert it in the same place as I did with the first one, and then you can see, you will notice. So currently, as you watch here, this port, the green port is off, the blue light is the one which is active, and so I'll insert this in and then plug my fiber cable. Okay, so I've inserted it, and these are the fiber cable. Okay, so I'm going to slot it in and then you can see for yourself that it is active. You know, I have no fiber port on my laptop, so I'll not be able to connect the other part to it, but watch it as I activate it. See, immediately I have both lights on which are active. Let's check on my laptop and see. So if we come onto my laptop and we look at the SFP interface, you can see a traffic going on this particular interface. You see, which means the port is active. And it looks like Mikrotik is compatible with most SFP modules. See? I'm going to take one off, and then you notice that the green light will go off. See? So I'm going to take it off. The green light is off. And this is the main deal, which is HP, and this is 4 gig. Okay, this is also a fiber module, a purely fiber module. I'm going to insert it, and then you notice that it will be activated as well. So I'm inserting it here. I've inserted it. If you notice, the blue light is currently what is on. I don't know if you can see from the video I'm taking. The green light is not on. It's just a flash of the blue light. It is on. So I'll plug the cables, and then you see. So this is the HP module I just inserted into it. This is my module. This is the fiber cable, so I've inserted it and it is active. You see, the green light is on. Okay, if I take off one of the cable, the green light will go off, it's off, and as you can see, let me plug it back to make it active. So you see, the green light is back on. If we should come onto my laptop, the SFP port is active, as you can see.